po palagi dyan. I love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Clarlyn. Happy birthday. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, Ate Cla.
Happy birthday po, Ate Cla.
Happy birthday, Ate Cla.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 中文什么？祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday, sis. Clarlyn Vlogs. I wish more years to cheers and more blessings to come. See you on Team Suano. Happy birthday. Niso, happy birthday. Niso, happy birthday. Oh! What's up? Niso, happy birthday. Niso,
Ate, happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe always. Ingat ka dyan. Stay blessing and sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat from Macau. Happy birthday.
Hi, Cla. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I miss you. Ang wish ko sa iyo is sana makita mo na ang lalaking makakasama mo habang buhay dahil hindi na tayo bumabata. Happy birthday, Cla. God bless you. Ingat lagi. Sana makita-kita tayo pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Clarlyn. First of all, I would like to greet you a happiest birthday. Ayan. God bless to you. Stay safe and healthy. Alam mo naman, hindi lang tayo magka-classmate at magkaibigan. Kumare pa kita. Ayan. I miss you so much, Clarlyn. Since high school pa tayong magkaibigan. Ayan, eto na yung hinihiling mo na video namin magkakaibigan, ha? Ayan, eto na, nag-BTR na ako. Nagpaganda pa ako para sa'yo. Joke lang. Happy birthday again. Tsaka, syempre, alam mo naman, wala na yung lovely company natin, di ba? Nabawasan na. Nasa heaven na kasi si Jonalyn, si Mylene. Hindi na tayo kompleto. Nakakamiss yung samahan natin nung high school tayo. Ayan. Di ba? Kailan kaya tayo ulit magkikita? Kasi ang lalayo natin, si Rohani nasa Marikina, si Amilo naman nasa Antique. Tapos si Emma nasa Pangasinan, ako naman dito lang sa Manila. Kaya, ayun na nga, nakakamiss yung samahan natin. Sana magkita-kita tayo ulit pag uwi mo, ha, Clarlyn. Ayan, eto na. Again, happy birthday to you. Sana masaya ka. Good health lagi. Diba? Sana makahanap ka na nga ng totoong pagmamahal para may kasama ka naman sa buhay mo. Ayan. Diba? Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to sa birthday mo. Diba? Thank you. I love you. God bless you. Mwah! Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye!
One, two, three. Happy birthday, Clarlyn. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Take care always. Already? Bye. Bye.
Hello girl, happy birthday. Andito ako sa park. Kasama ko si Ai. Kasi may exercise siya. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. God bless more. Always stay happy. Sana lagi kang malusog. At higit sa lahat, sana magka-love life ka na rin. Para may makasama ka na rin sa buhay. Hindi naman siguro masama yun, di ba? Okay, God bless more. Sana makita na tayo soon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Carlene. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthday to come. Stay humble lagi. Good health lang palagi. Happy birthday. Love you, Mama.
Hi, Mami Kla. Happy birthday po. Gusto ko lang po sana sabihin sa inyo na we're very thankful po na isa po kayo sa mga naging mommies namin, and gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa mga gabay, sa mga advices nyo po sa amin noon hanggang ngayon po. And sana po, umaasa pa rin po kami na makikita po namin kayong mga mommies namin. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po. I love you and God bless po. Ingat po always.
Hello to the most wonderful woman I have ever known, and that's you, Ate Kla. Today is your special day, so I want to greet you a happy birthday to you, and wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy, of course, diba? And thank you for being my friend, and I am very happy that I found you as my beautiful friend. And I hope you enjoy your special day, and I love you so much, Ate Kla, and God bless. Bye.
Hi Kla, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best in life, and God bless you more. Ingat ka palagi, saan ka man magpunta, may God bless you always and your whole family. Bye bye.
Hi Ate Kla, happy birthday. I just want to say I'm so thankful kasi nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na kagaya mo. Even through internet, ramdam ko yung pagiging totoo mong kaibigan. And now, it's your birthday. I just want to wish you happy birthday, Ate Kla. And sana, lagi kang healthy, lagi kang masaya, and sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. And alam ko, napakabuti mong tao, so maraming blessings ang darating sa'yo. And now, you just enjoy your day, and happy birthday, Ate Kla. Your angel is here. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tita Kla. Ang wish ko lang for you is always good health and syempre, always pretty. So, ayun. And sana makita mo lang yung forever at sana hindi ka magbabago. And lagi mo lang tatandaan, if may problema ka, nandito lang ang mga Dora for you. Kung kailangan mo ng mga kausap. So, ayun lang. Happy birthday and I love you.
Bulaga! Ayun ako. Ayan guys, ang haggard ko ng mukha ko. Ayan, by the way, salamat nga pala sa iyo, Sis Clarilin's Vlog, dahil ako'y yung naimbitahan na mag-greet sa iyo ng happy birthday. Ayan, happy birthday sis. More blessings to come, more beautiful to come, more cake blows to come. Ayan, maraming salamat dahil isa ko sa mga na-invite kahit napaka-haggard ng face ko. Di bali naka-filterize naman ang aking CP.
Sana all.
Ayan, nandito ako guys sa kusina kasi magluluto na ako ng lunch. Ayan.
Hi, Sis Clarilin's Vlog. I just want to greet you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sis. Wish you all the best and happiness in life. And of course, good health with your family. And sana lahat ng dreams and goals mo sa buhay ay matupad. Also in YouTube world. And enjoy lang tayo, sis. And thank you for always there to support me. And wish you good luck and more blessings and success on your YouTube world. And enjoy lang, sis, as a small vlogger or YouTuber. So, ayun, sis, ingat ka lagi dyan sa work mo. I know that it's very hard, lalo na yung work mo dyan sa Taiwan. So, yan, ingat lagi, sis. And, ayun, sana masaya ka sa birthday mo and enjoy your day. So, ayun lang, sis. More blessings and success. So, happy birthday ulit, sis Clarilens. And God bless you. Bye!
Hi, everyone! Hello! Big love shout out to all HID founders and to all members and Team Sinos family. Ayan, nandito lang naman ako sa inyong harapan upang babatiin ang ating birthday celebrant today. Ayan, sana po ay marami pang taon na i-celebrate mo ang iyong kaarawan. Be happy always, and sana po ay nasa mabuti po kayong kalusugan and stay sexy and beautiful. Ayan. So, hindi na ako magpatumpik-tumpik pa. No other than Miss Clarilyn Vlogs. Ayan, happy birthday to you. And sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayo, Ma'am Clarilyn Vlogs, sa araw na ito. Ayan, be happy lang always and be positive. Once again, happy birthday! And congratulations dahil monetize na ang iyong channel. Yun, isang ganap ka na YouTuber. Good luck to your new journey and we are here to support you. Happy birthday!
Good morning, Claralyn Vlog. Happy birthday to you. And wish ko sana makuha yung monetize mo. And congratulations. Soon is coming. Na yung monetize mo. Saga lang. Thank you sa lahat ng round. Bilang sa ko nanak sa White World. Keep it up. Your channel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. God bless you. Bye-bye. Kantahan mo na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye. Claralyn Vlog.
Hello, this is Sing Tiki. And gusto ko lang batiin si Sis Claralyn Vlog sa kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, sis. Naway lahat ng mga hiling mo sa buhay, lahat ng wishes mo ay ipagkaloob ng ating Panginoon, and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, stay pretty, stay healthy, and may the Lord God give what your heart desires. Happy birthday! Love ya! Enjoy your day, and God bless you!
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
Yay!